I'm Mohammad Akbar Hassan, representing Briddhi Schools of Professional and Schools of Knowledge. Our main job is to create more professionals through dissemination of knowledge. Without knowledge, no one can grow, because knowledge makes a man perfect. The knowledge can make a man move to his own desired goal. Knowledge is a tool. Knowledge is a pathfinder for a man to move to his desired destination. And that's the reason why Briddhi is continuously, for the last 21 years, trying to disseminate knowledge. And that's what I'm doing today. Now, what is more important whenever we walk in cells? We should not do any job in a very monotonous way. Monotony always kills a person. If you do a monotonous job, you will not feel like to walk more. Cells is a place where you can discover many ways, many things to make your job more jovial and enjoyable to work and to achieve the desired goal. But if you do the same job every day, it becomes monotony, monotonous. Monotony will kill you. You feel bored to do the same job every day from morning to evening. And that's the reason why Edith Wharton, you know what she says? Beware of monotony. It is the mother of all deadly sins. You know, there's a lady, her name was Edith Wharton. And you know who was she? She was the American novelist, short story writer, and a designer. In 1921, she is the first American woman who won the Pulitzer Prize for Literature. And do you know what she says? She said, beware of monotony. It is the mother of all deadly sins. What does it mean? If you do the same job again and again, and it is monotonous, and you lose all hopes, inspiration, enthusiasm, and excitement. Nobody wants to do the same job again and again. It is boring. And that created a person to deviate from the desired goal and started doing nonsense. We should come up from the monotony. Monotony should not be at our place to work. And that's the reason why when you're working in cells or when you're working, try to bring something variations. Something new. New ways of doing things. Don't do the same way again and again and you'll feel bored. Your inspiration will not be there. Your imagination will collapse. Thought process will not activate anymore to come up with the new ideas. So whatever you do, come up with a new variation. There should be thrill in your activities. Whenever there's something variation, something new, of course, you'll be thrilled to do it more. Enjoy your work and enjoy outcomes which will desired one. You must enjoy your work so that you can achieve a desired outcome. And how you can do it? When there is a variation in your work. Monotony will make your work outcome dull and fatiguing. Never come up with a monotony, because your imagination will go down, will collapse rather, and your workplace will become dull and you'll feel tired. Result will not be up to the mark if you work in a very monotonous way. Change your thoughts and change your process and bring something new. That's what we deserve today. Whenever you work in a monotonous way, the creativity will be absent. So make your work more pleasure, exciting, energetic, when there will be an outcome which can be the best. The more you're excited, the more you're energetic. Because of what? Because you're coming up with new thoughts, new methods, new techniques, new tricks. And you can see the result. The result is beyond your expectation. And that's the reason why. Come up with the new ideas. Love your job and build your career. If you don't love your job, and if you don't come up with the new thoughts, you will not be able to build up your career. It's extremely important today. Today we are looking for a more creative person, more innovative person, who can come up with the new ideas, new thoughts, new ways and new means to achieve a desired goal. And that's the reason why. Forget about monotony. Come up with more and more diverse way of doing things. Thank you very much.